Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one. Lots of headlines, and this had well above average volume on the day, so a lot of eyeballs definitely going to be watching this one going into next week. And really, there are a couple of key technical levels that stand out. And the main one, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, but this area right here at 15 cents is a very intriguing level because that's essentially the top portion of this little bottoming formation that's trying to play out. Now, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks that gap down, and then after the gap down, the price just does this the remainder of the day. But that wasn't the case here, right? The price at least was able to, for the most part, just go sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price went sideways after a big gap down does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom. My point is it's at least a rational thought to have. It's at least a logical, proposal to throw out there that, hey, maybe this is some sort of bottom. I mean, if the price was still looking like this, and I'm saying here, hey, it's looking like the bottom, you'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price is literally going down. But that's not the case here. Again, guaranteed bottom? No. Is it at least rational to think it could be the bottom? Absolutely. And if there is going to be any sort of, signal that this is the bottom of the bulls and some strength is returning to the stock, that is once again where 15 cents comes into play. Because think about that. In order for the price to break above 15, what needs to happen? Well, at minimum, the price needs to at least still go sideways, which is a nice sign of bullishness. And then the price has to work its way upwards, another sign of bullishness, and then actually break through that level, which would be another sign of bullishness. So that's why that 15 cent mark, definitely very important going forward in kind of helping establish whether or not this is some sort of base, some sort of bottom that's forming, or if this is just a temporary pause before another flush to the downside. But all in all, quite the interesting setup, and Tops in the past has proven it can move big. So, it's worth at least keep an eye on, and we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.